Don't know what to prepare in a hurry? Well, you can do this meal prep earlier and then keep this paste ready for those busy mornings. Welcome to my channel, The Slow Whisk. Let's make spiced rice. Now, this is one of my go-to recipes whenever I am in a rush, especially for those busy Monday mornings. All you've got to do is take a mixie jar, add 4-5 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, then some coriander, green chillies, and the star ingredient in this, freshly grated coconut. Take this mixture and grind it into a fine paste. If need be, add a little water, not more than that. So once this is ground to a nice paste, you can store it in an airtight container and use it as and when you need to make this spiced rice. So let's see how we can prepare the spiced rice now. Now for this, you've got to take a pan, add in about 2 tablespoons of oil. Give the tadka as usual. Add in the mustard seeds, cumin seeds if you need. Add in the chana dal. Then you can add in cashew nuts because it gives a nutty flavor to it. You could also add boiled green peas here. You could add small pieces of carrot. You could add peanuts. You can do a lot of varieties here. It's up to your imagination what you could do with this. Okay, once you add all those things and they are well sauteed, of course, cut the onions like I have shown here. It gives a different flavor. When the onions are cut like this, it definitely gives a different flavor to it. Do try it out and let me know how it turns out. What more do you need? Once all this is well combined and the aroma of garlic and the cumin, the coriander, the freshly grated coconut, it starts releasing its aroma. You know your mixture is ready. Add in the rice, pre-cooked rice, leftover rice. You could use that also. You're good to go. Add in a teaspoon or the salt as required, and a little bit of turmeric, anti-inflammatory spice. Add in this mixture. Well combined lunchbox recipe. I'm sure your kids will also love it. In case you want to send it for your kids, you could reduce the amount of chilies what you're using when you're grinding the paste. Try this recipe at home and let me know how you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.